Far too often, we know more about a young man or woman after they have taken their own lives than we did when they were living amongst us. That was an unfortunate common refrain during my last 2 years of active service as the commanding general of I Marine Expeditionary Force, the largest warfighting command in the United States Marine Corps, spread throughout Southern California and Arizona and comprised of nearly 50,000 Marines and sailors. During those 2 years, I personally received what we called a 30-day brief after every suicide within the command. And after ensuring commands had the time and space to support the service member's family, initiate an investigation, conduct memorial services, and better understand what led to that tragic death, I gathered together the entire chain of command of the dead Marine or sailor, from commanding generals to regimental and group commanders, to battalion and squadron commanders, plus the senior enlisted leaders at each echelon, as well as chaplains, medical officers, command behavioral health specialists, and substance abuse control officers. And together with key members of my team, we would review in significant detail the life and service history of the Marine or sailor, with a particular focus on the events leading up to the tragedy. Now, as you might imagine, there was quite a bit of uneasiness within subordinate commands when they were scheduled to participate in these. No doubt, there was a sense that these briefs were somehow intended to conduct some form of Monday morning quarterbacking or to assign blame to individual commanders and leaders. So it took a few iterations of these briefs and some significant cross-pollination between commanders who had previously participated before there was widespread understanding and acceptance that my intent was to learn and disseminate those lessons throughout the entire force in an effort to prevent a future tragedy. I Marine Expeditionary Force prides itself on being the premier combined arms warfighting force. As such, we took a combined arms or cross-collaborative approach to get left of boom, to use Iraq and Afghanistan vernacular, in saving lives and preserving our most precious resource. What did we learn?